Oh, pay attention here. That hole there goes right on the top. That way. And hammer. Right in that hole. There's some little spines. Where are they? Right there. Turn that with a screwdriver to tighten up the parking brake. Alright, let's see here. Now, I'm going to put the brake shoe on. They got plenty of meat left on them. See if I can do it one-handed here. There we go. And bolt 1, bolt 2. A little bit of goob. That's a lot on that one. But can't put it back in the metal tubes. There we are. I gotta put my phone down to get that. Oh, there it started. There's one. And oh, they actually cut out this nice little hole so your socket fits in there. And there's two. There. See, those are 15s. Oh, wrong size. 15. Naturally, we can't fit a impact in there. And I did squish the caliper a little bit to get it off of the disc. There we go. There's one. Right through the hole it goes. And then I don't think it's quite lined up. Alright, I gotta back the top one off to get that one loose, or in there.